Welcome back. In this session, we are going to look at the calculation of FSI, floor space index, or FAR, floor area ratio. It is simply um, the uh, the built-up area divided by the plot area. What is the built-up area? It is all the floor plates, the area that covers all the floor plates divided by the plot area. So let's say we are building a complete slab here, just like hypothetically speaking. It's a complete slab which comprises the ground floor, and then we go up and create another slab which is first floor, and then the roof. So the buildable area will be ground floor plus first floor, right? Um, so it is basically any built up spaces that where rooms are made where people can live in, and that includes actually the balcony and stairs and even lifts. It excludes vents and ducts. So I can help you visualize that by creating a surface. All right, so let's say this is a surface and it is 141.75 square meters, and then I move it up, or let's say I replicate it up by 4 meters in the Z direction. And that's the usual height of a building, 3.5 to 4 meters, right? So this is the ground floor, and this will be the area of the first floor. Um, so what will be the total area? It will be pretty easy. I'm going to get the area of both the geometries, and then I'm going to add them all. Um, right. Now this node will have both the geometries, so I've got two areas, and then I'm going to add them. So it will be mass addition. Yeah, so that'll be 283.5 square meters. All right. So if let's say it's just a G+1 building on the buildable area, we've got the ground floor, the first floor. The total built up area is this. Let me call it built up area. Okay, so this is the built up area total. And the FAR would be simply built up area divided by the plot area. Okay. Let me get division. So built up area divided by the plot area. And the result will be in a fraction. So here it is 1.05. 1 would mean we have uh, the spaces that we have built on the home G+1 is exactly equal to the plot area, and if it is 2, then it is twice as the plot area. Now normally we get 1.1 built up area as base, f sorry 1.1 FSI as the base value, floor space index. um, and then there is 60% ancillary, so we can add 60% of 1.1, so that will be around 1.7 or something, 1.75, and that's the base. And then you can add TDR or premium FSI onto it to, if you want to go higher, especially when you're trying to sell, you want to build and sell flats, you can do that. So brilliant. This is the FSI. I want to generalize this. I want to, just be able to increase the number of floors easily. So I'm going to use series component, which is nothing, but it's just going to give me the series of numbers 0, 4, 8, and so on. So start will be 0, step will be 4. That would be the height of the building. And then the count would be simply the number of floors. So in our case, let's take 2, and then whatever is coming out, we put it into factor z. So now if I just increase this slider, I get the number of floors. And if I change this slider, I'll be changing the height of each floor. So this is parameterized. It is generalized form of doing this. Now, I mean, this is a very quick way to check if it is under the FSI or not. So if I want to make 6th floor building using the max buildable area on the plot, uh, what would be the FSI? It is 3.15. If you are able to get premium FSI and everything and add up to 4 FSI, then you can make this. But beyond that, I think it will go crazy. Like if you want to make 8th floor building, it is exceeding 4. So on the top, you might have to reduce this floor slab into a penthouse or something and keep the remaining open as terrace. That will limit the FSI to 4. So here's a very quick way to check how many floors you can go up if you are designing building that is utilizing maximum buildable area on the ground. So I mean, even before actually designing anything, not even a single line, we are able to get an idea of how many floors you can go up to. So I think this was good session for FSI calculation, and that is all for this session. See you in the next one.